Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to have a look at how to adjust the minimum and maximum speed of a VE type injection pump. This right here is a VE pump injection pump installed on a 1HZ Toyota 1HZ engine. Now let's go ahead and have a look at the screws that will be used to adjust the minimum speed, the idle speed, and the maximum speed. This right here is a control lever for adjusting fuel. This is where the accelerator is to be connected. Forcing it to this direction will increase fuel, and releasing it will bring it back to the idle speed. So if you want to adjust idle speed, this is the screw that you are going to use. This is a screw for idle speed adjustment. This right here is used for idle speed adjustment. You can open the lock nut. There is a lock nut right here, and then you can unscrew this in order to reduce, and you can tighten it in order to increase the idle speed. So this is how the idle speed is adjusted. So the minimum speed is adjusted by simply controlling this screw. Whereas when it comes to the maximum speed, there is a screw right there. There is a screw that is the maximum speed adjusting screw. That will be used to adjust the maximum fuel, the maximum engine RPM for this injection pump. So the maximum speed is controlled by loosening and adjusting this maximum speed adjusting screw. So these are the two screws that are used for adjusting idle speed on this Toyota 1HZ. If the injection pump is installed on a test bench, however, there is a full load adjusting screw right here. This will adjust the full load fuel delivery of the injection pump. This injection pump, however, is for a Toyota 3L 4-cylinder engine. Right here we have the accelerator. This is accelerating and this is idling. So when you want to increase engine speed, you simply move this lever to this side. When you release, this is a spring loaded, it will return to the idle. So this screw is used for adjusting the minimum speed, idle speed. On your vehicle, you can connect a tachometer to the engine and measure the engine RPM, and then adjust this screw for minimum engine speed. If you want to decrease the engine speed, all you have to do is loosen this lock nut and loosen this screw. Loosening it will move it to this side. It will move the fuel control to the lower side. That will reduce idle speed. If you want to increase, you can simply tighten this. Tightening will extend this screw. It will increase fuel delivery. That will increase the idle speed. And when it comes to the maximum speed is controlled by that screw right there. It is at the back. The screw right here. That is the screw used for adjusting the maximum. See, it is tapping now. This is the maximum speed adjusting screw. When you increase the fuel delivery, it will be stopped at that point. So if you screw it into this direction, you will reduce the maximum speed. If you pull it back, you will increase the maximum speed. So this is how this injection pump maximum and minimum fuel volume is adjusted. Full load fuel delivery, just like the one on the HZ, is adjusted by this screw. This is a linkage for accelerator. As you can see, it is connected by cable to the accelerator pedal. This is a cable connected. This is how the engine is driven. This accelerator pedal is to be used. Put the cable in such a fashion so when the driver is accelerating, he will be pulling this in. Pulling this in will turn this, and this will actuate. Right here there is a lever. So this is the 3L Toyota 3L engine. So this is how it is connected to the accelerator pedal. You can see there is a cable that is passing through here, and it goes into the cabin. And just like we discussed previously, the idle speed is to be adjusted by that screw right there, and the maximum is to be adjusted by that screw at the back. So this is how maximum and minimum fuel is adjusted on this Toyota 3L engine. This right here is an injection pump from a Ford pickup, 4-cylinder Ford pickup. Now, this is a fuel adjusting lever. This is where the accelerator is to be connected. So when you want to accelerate, you pull it to this side. When you let go, that spring this return spring will return it to the idle position. Now for this injection pump, minimum speed or idle speed is adjusted by this screw. You will loosen this lock nut and then play around this in order to increase or decrease the idle speed. So the lowest speed can be adjusted by simply moving this screw. If you screw it to this side, it will pull the lever to the fuel increase directions, that will increase the idle speed. If you loosen it, however, it will decrease the idle speed. And as you can see right here, the maximum speed is adjusted by this screw, and the maximum speed adjustment is now prevented from rotation, as you can see, so that people cannot tamper with it. Now the maximum is to be controlled like so. Look, now it is at maximum fuel delivery. So loosening this and pulling to the back will increase fuel delivery, and screwing it in will reduce the maximum fuel, the maximum speed of the engine. So idle speed is adjusted by this, maximum speed is adjusted by this screw. Full load is to be adjusted by this screw. This screw right here is for a full load adjustment. Full load adjustment is usually done on an injection pump tester. This will adjust the maximum fuel delivery to the engine if the engine is under load, for example. So maximum load is to be adjusted by this full load adjusting screw. Right here we have another injection pump from a 4-cylinder engine. Similar configuration but slightly different. This is the fuel adjusting lever. As you can see, idle speed is adjusted by this screw. Now when you release the fuel, it will go and being stopped by this screw. So when this bolt is adjusted by loosening the lock nut, the minimum speed can be adjusted. Unscrewing it to this direction will increase idle speed. Moving it to this direction will decrease idle speed. And when it comes to the maximum fuel delivery, maximum fuel is to be adjusted by this screw. You can move it to this side and see this is the maximum fuel stop. So maximum fuel is adjusted by this. If you want to use this, for example, for a generator generating 50 hertz electricity, you have to put it at 1500 RPM, for example. You can do that by simply loosening this and bringing it to the center where it reaches 1500 RPM. So this is how this type of injection pump is installed on a diesel generator in order to generate electricity. So this is how you can adjust the maximum speed and the minimum speed on this distributor type injection pump. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you regarding some of the adjustments that you can do on a VE injection pump. If you find this video helpful and if you like what has been presented, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.